Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. I am Angel Rose Esmirada from BSN 3 Block 1. And now I will be doing my online demonstration for the subject Campus Journalism. Please allow me to start. Everybody stand up. Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord as we all say, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, everyone. Okay, good morning. So before you will take your seats, I want you to pick up pieces of paper under your chairs. Make your rows straight and have your chairs properly aligned. Okay, if you're done, you may now take your seats. Okay, so for your attendance, say present if your name is called. Abilino Marcolito, Dupalco Gently, Guliso 7 Day, Quezon Henry, Abraham Meldina. Wow, everybody was present. A big round of applause. Okay, so did I give you an assignment, class? Okay, get your assignments and in the count of 3, rotate your papers and let's check, and if you're done, pass your papers in front. Wow, a very impressive scores. Okay, so now, before we proceed to our main topic for this morning, allow me first to introduce the mystery box of names. So in this box, this contains your numbers and your names. So this will also correspond. If I will pick some names here or number, you will oblige to or required to participate during my discussion. And after that, you will be given a reward or a points. Okay, am I understood? Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, we have another lesson for this morning. But before that, gusto ba mo mag-energizer ta? Okay, so we will have our energizer. Okay, so you have to follow the steps ha. So for you to be able to know the steps. Okay, so for the first one is, you will do the jog in place. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next step is we will use our hands, the right and the left. And the next is we will use our elbow. This one and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next step is you will hold your hands and your hips or hips. So you will your head also will correspond to your actions. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so nakuha na ninyo. And that is not the final step. So naa pa. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and inhale, exhale. Okay, that's the final step. Okay, nakuha na ninyo? Okay, let us now do the energizer. Okay, listen.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth,
Ha, ha, ha. Okay, paano yung first step? Okay, so slow mo ka siya. And the next step is fast.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So, next, hindi pala siya ang kanang final. Sinapay pinaka paspas.
Johnny, Johnny,
Johnny, yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So, energize na pagtanan. Okay. So, balik na. Inhale, exhale. Ibagi pang kapoy jumulmos energizer. Okay. So, thank you everyone for participating in our energizer. You may now take your seats. Okay. So now, we'll have another lesson for this morning. But before that, let us have first a recap. Okay, who can do the recap? Okay, wala dyan ha. So I will pick a number here. Okay, so let's pick a number or a name. So the chosen one is number 26. Miss Pahaya Lumari. Okay, Miss Pahaya. Okay, what was our lesson that answers and the news and the features articles. Yes, Mr. Abinido? Okay, so news is, the main objectives of news is to inform. And the features article is to entertain. Wow, yes, very good. Okay, so since they participate naman ang 3 na to ka students, so they will have, I will give them a reward. So after buduol lang muna ko, igumanalik sa klase. Okay, so to start with, I want you to differentiate or see the picture here. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is to differentiate the pictures that has been given here. Okay, who can differentiate the first picture? Okay, I will pick a number. Okay. The lucky one is number 4, Mr. Kizon Henry. Okay, Mr. Henry, what does the first picture do? Yes? The first picture do, the girl is writing. Yes, very good. And how about the picture B? Let's pick a number. Number 1, Abinito Marcolito. Yes? Someone is conducting an interview. Okay, so from that, so what have you observed from the pictures? And what do you think would be our topic for this morning? Yes? May I have number 22, Miss Rachel Go. Okay, Miss Rachel Go, what is your, what do you think it would be our lesson for this morning? Very good. Our lesson for this morning is all about writing the interview. Okay. So in writing the interview class, it will also contain the kinds of interviews, the easy method, the do's and don'ts, the guidelines, the writing it up, the models, and that one. Okay, but specifically, it tackles mostly sa writing the interviews. But before that, let us have first our objectives so that we will be guided as we go along with our discussion. Okay, everybody read? Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, class, I have here an activity. Okay, an activity, yes, class, an activity. So, I want you to get 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay, so you have to read the directions carefully. And the direction is, look and analyze the given picture and guess if it is proper or improper way of interview. Okay, you will be given 5 minutes only to answer this. After that, we'll check. Okay? Are you done? Okay, thank you. So now let's check your answers if you are correct. So number 1, what is your answer? Yes, who would like to answer? Okay, I will pick someone. We'll pick a number, rather. Number 20. Okay, yes, Mrs. Storke, what is your answer? Proper. Yes, very good. The number 1 is proper. This is a proper way of interview. It is because this is called panel interview class. This is one. Like for example, someone is being interviewed by a panel. Okay, number 2, who would like to answer? Yes, Miss Camuso. Proper. Yes, proper. Very good. Precisely, this is proper. Okay, your answer is correct. So this is proper class. It is because an interview, it can be either a group of interviews. So, ano siya gitawag ko? Group of interview. Number 3, who would like to answer? Yes, Miss Daan. Okay, very good. This is improper way of interview. Why? Nga naman, Miss Daan? It is because, yes, this is improper. Kaya as nakita ninyo, ang lalaki is nagpaburot og kanang mga chewing gums ba, mga nga nga kuan, mga bubble gums. Yes, that is improper kayo. And number 4 is, who would like to answer? Yes, Miss, what is your name? Miss Buniel. Okay. What is your answer, Miss Buniel? Proper. Yes, very good. This is proper because this picture shows that introducing, like muna nag-introduce siya sa iyang name before sa interview. Okay, very good. And the last one is, who will be the one to answer? Yes, Miss Abraham. Okay, very good. This is proper because, una kayo mo, this is an interview through phone call. Okay? So now, so since we are done with our activity, so what have you observed from the picture? Yes, may I hear your answer, Miss number 9, Miss Bautista Joyce. What is your what have you observed from the picture, Miss Kanang Joyce? Okay. So this is some or kanang na-adjoy gipang interview. And the other is ang kuan. Kanang makita ninyo. Mostly they use some communication skills. Yes, very good. And that one for you to why is it important man to know the proper way of interview? Yes, may I hear from the number 8. Yes, Miss Balyar Bichi. Yes, very good. A big round of applause by Miss Balyar, everyone. So important is that you are able to know the proper way of interview so that you will know the exact information and also to be treated fairly. So makita naman na inyo as of today, and we will go further for our discussion later. Okay, so now, let's tackle first what is interview. Okay, interview is an art of asking questions obtained from information. So mostly dyan, we will hear the word interview is it contains some questions. So it either be nag-interview ka during nag-conduct nag-interview sa mga tao, and mostly baka kuanta, it also naka-contain dyan siya ang mga questions. Either makaget ang mga information from the other people, so together kanang information. Okay, so the next is we have here the kinds of interviews. So number 1 is informative interview. Informative interview, everybody read. Informative interview is conducted to obtain some information from a person responsible for a new idea. So, the reporter, this is conducted to obtain some information from a person or responsible for an idea. Like for example, class, kanang kuan. I have here a question class. So, meaning, kung magkana ko mga informative information, mostly, about din siya information. Either isuwat man mo siya, kung imo siya isuwat, ang imuha ka ng topic is nag-contain siya o information, mostly. Lain po og informative interview ka is ang most kanang contents mo is opinion ang sulod. So di ba dili? So here are example of an informative question. So everybody read. Okay, can you explain the process of how renewable energy source like wind and solar power are converted into electricity for public use? So di ba no? By through interviewing nga mangutana ka yun sa man pagkuan sa wind, pag-combine sa wind and the solar power na maka-convert mo siya electricity. So from that, nag-interview ka person, maka-gain ka o information o isa nagikan, o sa ang process, and that one. Okay, am I understood, everyone? Okay, so for the next one, I want someone to explain what is your own idea about opinion interview. But before that, let us read first what is opinion interview. It is conducted to obtain opinion. Okay, so may I hear from Miss, okay, number 1 again, Mr. Abinido Mercolito. Okay, what is your kanang thoughts or kanang nasabtan about opinion interview? Yes? The reporter typically interview specialist, expert, or ano man? Kanang mostly about siya o opinion. Yes, kanang like for example, I have here kanang an example of an interview nga mostly about siya opinion question. So like for example, how do you think social media has influenced society both positively and negatively? So from that, opinion naman siya sa tao, so meaning either makuha nimo ang iyang mga ideas, sa iyang thoughts, sa iyang mga na like for example, sa iyang stand ana between nga imo na siyang pangutana. And other one, in your perspective, what steps can government take to address climate change effectively? So sa iyang mga thoughts para ma-address ang kanang problema nato sa climate change. Okay, so that one is also an opinion interview. You will know also the sa opinion niya or stand ana niya nga butang. Okay, so did you understand what is informative question and informative interview and opinion? Okay, now let's proceed to the last kinds of interview, which is the feature interview. So feature interview is the group of interview which there are two types. So there are two types. So number one, what's up siya teacher? Inquiry reporter. So inquiry reporter, the reporter asks the same question from interviewees selects at random. So have you, kanana for example, kabata mo sa reporter sa TV, like for example, kanang adlaw nagbagyo man no. So meaning dili jud ka basta-basta o mag-select ka ng special jud na person para jud na imo nang conducton. So you have to select randomly, but same ra ang question nga imong ikuan, either mangutana ka sa usa nga naunsa ba siya from that kanang during night typhoon, nag-unsa ba siya sa iyang mga gipangbuhat, anong sa usa pod the same question ra pod pero random naman siya, so you can choose someone nga imuhang question. Okay, so do you understand what is inquiry reporter? Okay, from the next one is symposium type, but I want someone to explain it in your own words. So may I have here number 40, Miss Kudog Michelle. Okay, Miss Kudog, what is your own opinion or what is your own understanding about symposium type? Okay, the reporter, okay, Gary first. Symposium type is the reporter asks one question or related question from a special list in a given field. So, yes, please, Kudog, what is your opinion about that? Okay, the reporter typically interview specialists, yes, mostly sa experts or speakers who are participating in discussion during sa mga symposium. Yes, or kanami itong mga meeting class, like for example, nagkanda kong meeting, but from that, kanang participants siya, one of the participants sa symposium is kanang natawhana or kanang mga expert. So that one, you are, pwede na mo sila i-question or interview during or after ilang symposium. Pero, dapat, expert siya, mostly, ha? Okay. So, have you understand the kinds of interviews? Did you understand? Kung lagi kalipugan? At the back. Okay, thank you. So now, shall we proceed to another? Okay, so now, let's proceed to the easy method. Okay, so kinesiya. So we are kanang in the part of kanang we will know kung sa may mga pamaagi or preparations before ta mag-conduct ng interview. Okay, number one is interviewing is not just a matter of hoping for the best. Kaya nga naman, the reporter should have advanced preparations. Yes, it is because it would be unethical or unprofessional for him na go na siya under sa office without making preparation. So, para ninyo, okay ba nga mo? Gusto lang mo. Mura na kunas na eskwila mo class. But, kanang sa inyong kadali-dali, bitaw, wala mo kada sa inyong mga dead uno, no kada sa inyong bound. Ingana. So, meaning you have to be prepared on time. Ya dapat, exact time kung ka mo, muadto if magkanda ka og interview. So, dili po kay porque ikaw nag-interviewer, ikaw man mismo naglugay-lugay. Okay. So, do you understand? Okay, the next one is before meeting with his subjects, the reporter should understand exactly the assignment given to him by his editor. Okay, so muna, before ka go, mura na po na sa eskwela nga, studyhon mo sa inyo teacher class na you have to study this topic because the next meeting will tackle nga na. So kamo, if wala mo nag-study, for example, wala mo nag-study, makatubag ba mo sa mga pangutana? Makahibaw ba mo? Are you experts from that topic? O di ba dili? So muna, you have, so before mo meet sa inyong kanang i-interview or inyong interview home, is you have to understand first the given topic, especially sa inyong editor. Kaya mauna pa na siya tig-edit, na mauna naman siya di makasabot kayo, wala na makanikuan sa follow sa iyahang kanang gipang sulti or the structures. Okay. Do you understood? Okay, so now let's proceed. Next is to make the conversation lively. The reporter should know beforehand about the subject, his positions, accomplishments, and or personality. Okay, so to make the conversation soft. So like since before ka mo interview, dapat you know already kinsa imong interview. You know already kung unsa siyang pagkatao, kasi mga accomplishment niya. What if na akay mga gipangsutan pero wala day, di na mao or wala na siya ni uyon anak. It is because dili siya related sa iyang mga positions nga gipangkuan. Basta mga ingana siya class. Okay, am I understood? Okay. The next one is during the interview proper, the reporter should be alert to new unexpected angles of the topic that usually pop up. So if this happens, class, you should be ready to forgo or prepared questions. Like for example, you are imuhang kanang interview is kanang nag-give siya information nimo, but specifically naa siya mga bagong gipang give nga information nimo ba, that is kanang new para nimo, and that is dapat kabalo ka unsang pag question mostly nga mo gana imong utok dayon nga makakuha kag mga ma-relating mga question through nga mga bagong ideas or mga topic nga iyang ipang sulti. And that's one. Another is general questions such as what do you think of family planning should be avoided. So kana mga two personal na kaayo, ayaw na po na ilabot sa inyo kung maganda kong interview. Dili na po na siya okay sa tao. Kaya mo, may nga na ako sa katao nga, huwag ka mo, interviewin mo sa tuwa na, mas magpuy ko ni mo, dahil huwag naamoy ka ng mga kuan, ka ng mga abot sa pundo, pero may bawal na siya, may ka ng mga two personal na kaayo. Okay, so am I understood? Okay, so now let's proceed to the last method. The story should be written right away after the interview. So, but before that, the story should be written right away after the interview. So, dapat, after nimo nga nakuha na nimo ang mga nag-gather mga information, ideas, or opinions from sa mga kanang tao na imong interview. So, after makakuha na dyan, ma-release tayo ng sa mga kanang news nga bago nga imuhang kanang i-release. Okay, but before that, the reporter should first determine what interview he has to write. Like for example, sa siya, informative ba siya na kind of interview, opinion ba siya, or feature interview. Okay, so either pwede po siya class nga, feature or kanang combination siya sa tanan. Okay, am I understood everyone? At the back, am I understood? Okay, so do you hear me? Okay, so now, let's proceed to the do's and don'ts in conducting interview. Okay, so saan na siya ka ng mga dili, mga pwede o dili nimong buhaton during nagkanda ka o interview. Okay, so what is the first ma'am? Okay, let's tackle first the do's. Okay, so the do's. Number one is know your subject thoroughly and jot down exactly what questions you want to clarify. So what does gigbalik no nga, you have to know your subject thoroughly to know. And specifically, when ka jot down exactly what question you want to clarify. Make it kanang brief ra, kanang kung sa na dyan mong tumo, nga imong i-question sa tao, maura dyan to siya. Ayaw na mong pagdagan kanang mga flowering words. Okay? Okay. So number 2 is know your interviewee, his habits, strengths, opinion, and topic, achievements, and good practices. Okay, so di ba natapong naman siya sa the easy methods na you have to know your interview kung sa iyang habits, kung sa iyang mga accomplishment, kung sa iyang personalidad, and others. Okay. And number 3 is make an appointment and be there ahead of time. Be prepared to listen and take brief notes when advisable. Okay, so ano man? Usap ko siya sa class nga, mayon ka o maganda kag interview, but ikaw mismo nga reporter, kanang lakayan ko kay ka. So mana, you have to remember nga ikaw ang nangayong atensyon, ikaw ang nangayong og time ana nga tawhanan. So meaning dapat ikaw pud ang active kaayo. So dili kay bakit ikaw ikaw ra ang nangayong time for that kay imo siyang interview, ikaw pud nuhay naglangay-langay. So mali na siya dili na siya pwede buhaton ninyo. And number 4 is introduce yourself again even if you have an appointment. Okay. So kani siya class if you have an appointment, even though na nagpaila-ila na ka, makisa ka, inana, so you have to introduce yourself again. Kaya bisan pa kuan kay kamoy time kung makalimot ang usa ka kanang interview di mo akit sa organic ka, nga mo nang you have to bisan pag dili siya necessary ka siya bisan nga kay bisan pag nakaila siya nimo, what if na lang ba nakalimot siya unsay name sa nag-interview niya or what from unsa siya nga kanang organizations nga nagkuan conduct ang interview. Okay. So now it also be courteous, friendly, and grateful for concessions like the repetition of an explanation. So dapat po mo respect ka, you have to be friendly, grateful during sa mangutan ka or ask ka ba. Pwede po na siya class nga mo ask ko ka o repetition if ever gani wala ka sabot sa iyang explanation. Pwede na but if diligent sa ingon nga necessary das 75% na lang jud halos tanan imong gipangutana og pabalik-balik. Okay. So basta naalang ang word nga respect. Okay. So the last second to the last of the laws is offer to show him your write-up before its publication. So this is very important class. Nga, after nimo nga nakasuwat na ka sa tanang idea, nakuha na nimo tanan, you have na-write ang usa ka gi-interview nimo nga. Mutan-aw siya kung usay iyahang ka ng mga opinion or pwede usbon or ayaw lang i-appeal ana nga kanang topic. It's because what if dili siya ganahan, ayaw lang na. So manan, you have to kanang allow him or her to read your kanang ipagsuwat. Okay. And the last one for those is respect of the record comments. Okay, kanihang gingon ninyo. Respect of the record comments. So, usap na siya teacher. So, like for example, of the record comments man ta, ano kita mo, two personally na siya class. Like for example, si Miss Ibardo o si Mr. Avenido. Kung question si Mr. Avenido about ni Miss Ibardo, two personal na kayo. Like for example, na-rape kintahin si Miss Ibardo. Nandiyan pag-rape niya, anak kintahin si nag-interview man lagi si Mr. Avenido na siya na, yun sa nagkapag-rape Miss Ibardo. Nandiyan, gilamihan mo ka Miss Ibardo. So ayaw ka, bawal na siya maging anak na sa imuhang interview. So dapat, dapat side lang okay ang imuhang interview. What if, di ito siya ganahan? So madam, you have to respect mga off-the-record comments dyan ha. Okay, so do you understand what are the laws in conducting the interview? So everybody understood? Okay. So now, shall we proceed to the don'ts? This is the last one, conducting interview. Okay, so the number 1 is, in the don'ts, is never demand, request, and say thank you. Okay, dapat na tayo kasagaran po na sa mga tao, no? Most especially, if bisan pagpili na interview, yun sa pana. Di na maligaya ng mga reklamador or mga mas kusog mo demand. pwede ka mo kuan ma'am, pwede din mo usbo ni ma'am, pwede din mo kuanon. So, ayaw ha, dili na siya pwede. You have to say, thank you na lang. Thank you. But if ever, umingon ang kanang imo ang interview, sa man akong balikon, kada noon, ara ka mo interact. If kanang pwede ra, iya. So, nasabtan class. Okay. So, the number 2 is don't react unfavorably to whatever he is saying. So, even when us being neutral, if you cannot honestly agree with him, remember, you will write down his answer and not your ideas. So, nga naman ko siya class, nga mo react mo unfavorably, nga dili mo uyon niya sa iyang ipang sulti. Even though nga kabalo ka nga, di mo ba mauuy. Bahala na lang dyan o magpaka-aron inon kang bitaw, pwede na ka naman yan kahit nag-interview mo ka, so kahit to respect na lang po sa iyahang mga opinion. Okay. So remember that you will write down his answers, not your ideas. So bahala na po sa iyang ideas. You have to kanang write it down. And number 3 is don't hesitate to request repetition or clarification of anything not fully understood. Okay, so ako ngayon na if ever ganit class, wala dyan mo kasabot sa iyang ipag-explain or either paspas lang, naging suwat mang ka, ayaw po sa yun nga, kanang ihurot ni mo bitaw ang mga question na ipabalik dyan mo. Na ma'am, pwede ka mo balikon yung galing na part, kini na part. Pwede naman siya balikon sa gingon sa DOS, but dili necessary nga, tanan nga, dili po di mo nasabtan. So, mana, kaya ikaw reporter, dapat abtik ka, you have to write it down as fast as you can. Okay. Number 4. We have here the number 4. Don't take down everything. Abbreviate long words and use only keywords for main ideas. Okay, so probably this is the problem nga nung dugay pa man ang interview. It is because kanang ikaw po nagsuwat. Sa kadaghan mo gisuwat, if necessary, dapat abbreviations lang siya. Dapat you have to know if kana imong ipang-abbreviations, makasabot pa ka after ano nga nagkanda ka interview. Kaya abbreviations naman siya para paspas ka ba? Wala siya buot ipasabot. Kung mag-interview ka, kung sa iyang kuwan, kaya walang nagsige naman siya sulti, so nagsige naman kag-take down notes. So para paspas, gayon dire, you have to take down everything but abbreviate long words. Okay, so am I understood? Okay, so the second to the last is don't overstay. So ayaw ko balabi og kadugay diha. Kung sa imong question, kung sa imong clarifications, ararataman, kana lang siya, ayaw na palabi og taas sa gipang questions. So ayaw pag-stay. Kasi napay ka na kuan ba, napay gustong buhaton ang imong interview, but dili na nun kuan, it is because ikaw mismo, naglangay-langay ka. Okay, so the last one of don'ts in conducting interview is don't postpone writing your notes. Do as soon as you get out of the interview room. Okay, so kabante mo na magsuwat mo, no? This is the last module. So, ayaw mo pag-post if ever, kanapitang na-impress mo sa iyong answer, if ever, isang ko pa, dyan yung mapunapos, iba ma-postpone mo sa kaya basa ka, taas, o di ka po yung panaminaw na lang dyan mo niya. If nga na kaya, di kayo dyan ninyo dapat, nakasubaybay yapon mo, kung sa inyong isuwat, and kanang sa inyong mga iyang ipagsulti. So, ayaw dyan as soon as possible. So, antod mahuman ang gi-interview ninyo, dapat ikaw po nakasunod na bukas mo iyang ipang sulti. Okay, so class, have you understood? And do you have any clarifications, suggestions, questions? Okay, so wala. Okay, so class, that would be all for my topic for this morning, and the remaining topics will be tackled for the next teacher, Miss Ivan Rose Kumalo. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening. I hope you fully understood our lesson this morning. Thank you.